Hey everyone, thanks for checking out my videos. Got another unboxing for you. This is actually an updated version of one of my favorite RCs, the Wltoys 12402A. And initially, when I saw this, I thought this was a updated 144001 line. But anyways, let's get into this. This is the Wltoys or XK 104009. They claim this is a 1/10 scale. It is 550 brush motor, just like this guy. They did add metal oil shocks. Has the metal gears and ball bearings. So let's get this thing opened up. Not much to the box. We got our manual. We got the wheelie bar charger. I am a big fan of these Wltoys XK 7.4 volt 2S chargers. I think these are probably one of the best value chargers that come in a ready to run. But little screwdriver, wrench, that's cool. They give you this 2 screws for the wheelie bar. Now the exciting part is the actual RC, and interestingly, I thought it's kind of funny that they made this. I kind of think they made this look like a X-Max or Traxxas Max, which I'm cool with. I hope to one day work myself up to an X-Max. That's one of my dream RC cars. But anyways, this looks pretty cool. And before we take a look at the inside, here's a shot, side-by-side shot of the 12402A and then the 104009. So basically it's still the same. I believe it's the same chassis. This is advertised as a 1/12 series. Now one thing I see that they did to this, so this is probably my favorite RC body, hands down. I think this thing's really cool. It's got a combination of hard plastic, the cage, and then the flexible plastic. So I imagine this might fit right on there, which I will probably just swap over. I actually built my HSP monster truck with this body also, so you can order spares of these, which I will probably get another one for this. But the only thing I see is awesome about this is it's pre-lighted, and actually they put hard plastic lens over the lights, which is a really nice touch. And then you can see the roof rack lights, but really nice lighting system, and it's even got the rear lights, which is pretty cool. So for that reason I might just stick with this guy. But anyways, you can take a look at the inside of this, and yep, it's basically the same chassis. Under mounted battery, the same 550 motor. This has a larger heat sink, which is cool. But there you go, the upgraded or updated metal oil shocks. Again, a super nice touch to this, and you can see the body mounts are the same, so this does in fact fit right on there, which is cool. If you ever need a spare body to run, you know that this works. This looks like the same system that this came with. I currently have this taken apart. I'm making some updates to it, but this is a great stock 550 motor. I haven't had any issues to it. I did upgrade this servo, which is why I did do the electronic swap. But take a look at the underside, which is another major update that they made. They went with metal swing arms versus the old plastics. I have not had an issue with these plastics. I did break an axle, which I did a how-to video on replacing from a basically a bad jump. Otherwise, I love this thing. I'm not a big fan of the underbody battery tray. But again, I haven't had an issue with this one. It's never popped out. It doesn't have the the screw to hold it down, so you don't have to carry a screwdriver. It is the spring retention clips, which actually work pretty well. So haven't had an issue with this guy. You see the power switch down here. One thing, I love these wheels. I think they look awesome, but I wish they put some padding. So to continue with the unboxing, let's go ahead and pull out the rest of this. Again, this, if you're familiar with the Wltoys, this is the standard transmitter that comes with it. It's not bad. It's got the steering and throttle trim. This one does use 4 AA batteries. I'll probably swap this out when I switch over or upgrade the servo on this guy to a 3-wire. And we'll see though, but I typically swap motors on all my cheap RCs, but I am a big fan of this 550, and I'll probably leave it there for a while, but we'll see how the rest of these updates work out. So again, they did the metal swing arms, metal shock, and actually those feel very nice. I actually had to update my own shocks on this guy. As you can see, these are actually crawler shocks that I swapped onto this one just because they fit at the time. But I have to say, man, these feel pretty cool, pretty good. So I'll definitely get some running video on, maybe a comparison between these two, but I imagine they perform very similar. This one is a bit heavier with all the metal updates to it, so I'm not sure how that'll hold up for bashing, but very cool RCs. I do like the updated light system on them, but I am still a bigger fan of the old school body. So thanks for watching.